Hey man, what's up, boy? This your boy Dilly on the Don, man. I'm just trying to figure out, man, how y'all get y'all goddamn smoke detector to chirp, man. I'm still waiting on my shit, dog. I be waiting, dog. Cause they be talking about, oh yeah, man, that be the shit that be like when they chirp. Oh, that's they smoke detector. I'm trying to see, how y'all get y'all shit to chirp though. So I'm just waiting, dog. Waiting and shit, man. I'm like, dang, man, my shit don't be chirping. I be like, dang, I don't be understanding though. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I just want to know, man. Oh, what was that red light? I don't know, dog. Or this one. Oh, that bit even on. Shit, we'll find out, dog. Yeah, y'all let you, man, trying to get my shit to church. Like, y'all shit. Some of y'all shit be chirping. I don't want my shit to chirp. Yeah, out that bed, though.